Welcome to IFAStories, where ancient wisdom meets modern storytelling. Step into the sacred world of Ifa, the Yoruba spiritual system, where every tale carries the power of divination, destiny, and deep cultural insight. Join us as we unravel the mysteries of the Orishas, the divine forces guiding our paths, Òrúnmìlà, the Iron Moles, and many more. Each story is a bridge between the past and the present, weaving timeless lessons that inspire, enlighten, and transform. Embrace the wisdom, honor the tradition, and journey with us into the heart of Ifa. Subscribe now and let the stories guide you. To explore full Yoruba stories, Ifa teachings, and ancestral wisdom, visit our website, www.ifastories.com. Step into the sacred path for more resources and information. Òṣé Méjì lived longer than any other Olódù. The Olódùs, that is, the 16 principal apostles of Òrúnmìlà, had the habit of going to the river to wash away the signs of old age from their bodies. After each bath, they would often come out looking several years younger than their actual age. During one of their weekly gatherings, the 16 Olódùs agreed on the date when they would go to the river for their annual cleansing session. Upon returning home from the meeting, Òṣé Méjì invited one of his awas, named Géré Ṣálù Géré, to perform divination for him concerning the upcoming trip to the river. He was advised to offer a goat to Òṣé, due to the blessings that awaited him at the river. He made the sacrifice without delay. On the appointed day, the 16 Olódùs gathered at the river and began diving in order of seniority. Each was required to dive 3 times in the river. When it was Òṣé Méjì's turn to dive, being the 15th Olódù, he dove the first time and emerged with a dried fish in his left hand and a fresh fish in his right. He dove a second time and came out holding white cloth in his left hand and black cloth in his right. On his third and final dive, he emerged with 200 cowries in his left hand and beads in his right hand. The other Olódùs accused him of practicing magic, but he denied it, saying that he didn't even know how to perform divination, much less magic. When he got home, he gathered all his substitute awas and asked them to interpret what he had found in the river. They told him that the fishes signified that he would live long enough to enjoy all the good things in life. The cloths meant that he would live in peace and harmony until the end of his life, which would be very long. The cowries and beads symbolized that he would live a prosperous and abundant life. Indeed, he lived a full life and lived longer than any other Olódù on earth.